Throughout your home, and particularly in the garage, basement, and kitchen, you probably have chemical products for cleaning, automotive care, and pest control. These products need to be disposed of properly, especially if the label contains one or more of the following words: caution, warning, danger, or poison. If the container is empty, it can be thrown into the trash. But if there is any product left in the container and you no longer need it, bring it to one of Ramsey County's household hazardous waste collection sites. It's free. Propane tanks should always be brought to a household hazardous waste collection site, empty or full. Always be careful with these products. Use gloves if necessary, and load them into a box or a larger container for transport. Remember, the leftovers may be harmful to people, pets, and the planet if mishandled. Load them into the back of your car and drive to one of our collection sites. Staff are there to help, so you don't need to get out of your car. Just open the trunk and staff will handle the household hazardous waste for you. It's the easiest, safest, and only way to properly dispose of leftover hazardous products. See you there. For more information and a detailed list of accepted items, visit ramseyrecycles.com/HHW or call 651-633-EASY. That's 3279. Our hotline is answered 24/7.